Today, I made Tommyinnit's text in Filmora again. Hey guys, welcome to another video. Today, I'm going to show you how to make Tommyinnit's text again in Filmora. Now, not just milking this, I'm actually just doing it updated since I did it terribly last time. I did it updated this time. Okay, so what you want to do is you want to go to Titles, and the title will tab right here. And you want to drag your default title to the second one up here. Then you want to go to Media, Sample Colors, and scroll down so you find white. It might be at the top, who knows. And then once you have that, you type in anything that Tommy would say. So I'm just going to type in today, because usually in the beginning of his videos, he says today. We did that. And then what you want to do is you want to hit advanced. And then once you've hit advanced, it will pop up with this screen right here in the middle. What you want to do is you want to scroll down till you get to text border. Click that on. Change it to black. And then change the size to 19. About 17, maybe 17 is good. Okay, and now what we're going to do is, using the link down in the description, you can download the font that he uses. I honestly you can download any of the font that is there. I use the Doses Extra Bold that he had, that I think looks like his much. Then you click this middle part, center it again in the middle, so you know it's in the middle. And then you hit text shadow, and you make sure this effect right here, or type, you hit this to the top, and you do opacity 70. Color, the color isn't straight black. I usually use this color since it looks more better using that. And I do about the distance 7, and then I do max blur, and then you have this nice little effect in the back to make sure it looks like that. And then once you've done that, you hit OK. Animation, customize. Change this to 95. Oh, well, and then, okay. Change this to 95. Go and then zoom in a bunch. Go forward 2 frames. There. Click it again. Select 100. Boom. Now you have his zoom effect. It's actually pretty simple like this. And then once you've done that, you basically have his zoom effect. It looks better with better frames. You can see that it gets bigger. And it doesn't look that good since I have it on worse frames. And then you basically have Tommyinnit's text. It's that simple. And if you want to make it subtitles, just double click it. You can save it as a custom if you want, like Tommyinnit's intro, and then you might want to change it. And grab this, hit the bottom part, and go up 2 using the arrow key, and then it will go right here where he usually uses it. But that's basically how you make Tommy's text in Filmora. It's that simple. The last video was a bit more complicated. So that's really the end of the video. Bye.